This business used to be my entire life, but I lost my passion for it and I abandoned it for years. But then my X account got banned and overnight my business lost its main source of traffic. So I needed to replace that income fast. So I'm going to use AI to revive my old business. Building it the first time took me years of grinding, but I don't have years. So AI is going to need to build this for me and learn how to go viral on social media, create and post content, generate leads and close those leads for me, and run the whole business for me, start to finish. Okay, so the first thing I needed to do was build my AI dream team. But I needed an AI tool that can reliably create entire agent teams, that I could hook different models in, and that I could connect to all of my different tools in order to revive my business as fast as possible. So I got to researching and found this very cool product called Hyperagent. The reason I decided to use it for this test is simple. I do not just need a chatbot. I quit this page because it got repetitive. Sourcing content, writing captions, scheduling posts, replying to DMs every single week. But AI doesn't get bored. I also reached out to the team and they loved this idea so much that they were very happy to sponsor today's video. So a big shout out to the Hyperagent team. This video literally wouldn't be possible without them. Hyperagent is giving away $100 in bonus credits, by the way, when you sign up. So check it out now inside the link in the description below. And with that, I got started and built 5 agents. So I'm building out my team and I have to say, I really enjoy the platform. I really enjoy how it looks like, how it feels, even hiring the agents one by one. So we currently have our team, an auditor, a researcher, a strategist, a content creator, and a salesperson. And we're still hiring one more, which is the operator right now. And it's done a pretty good job at understanding the page so far. I'm giving it as much information as it needs, and from there we'll get started with day one. All right, and we're wrapping up day one. It just posted its first post literally 3 minutes ago. We already have 6 likes, which is great, and this is the first post that it helped us spin up and make. This is the operator agent's daily job, actually writing out each post for the day with their captions, media over here, and the time slots it scheduled it out for the day. And yeah, we have 2 posts scheduled per day. Day one, I'm focusing on the content itself. I'm gonna let today's post run and come back and check tomorrow. But a couple of things I've noticed, it's been 3 years almost since I've posted. Literally the post before it was 151 weeks ago. That's almost 3 years, if not more. A lot has changed on Instagram. The researcher has come back and was literally like, dude, like, I don't think we can continue posting the things you used to post. Policies have changed. The Instagram has changed. The internet has changed since then. And it wouldn't be fair to post these today. So we need to rework a new strategy, something I've never tried before. It will have to come up with it, which makes this challenge even more interesting. That's the researcher's report. It pulled Instagram's current policy in 2026 and told me flat out that the old format is a ban risk. And that right here at the bottom is the strategist coming up with completely new content plan. See you in day 2. Day 2 here, and I'm genuinely impressed with what we've been able to do in day 1 and so far. I mean, the first post we've posted has done very, very well. Its reception was taken very well. Just evidenced by this comment, well, finally the admin is back. I do suspect though that, as you can see, the post after it did a little worse, and we just posted another post right now on day 2. I suspect that this was because this was my first post in a long time. Instagram notifies a lot of people, you know, like, hey, this person has posted for the first time in a while. I suspect that might be why. But what I'm more so surprised by is Hyperagent's ability to just work so well with a fleet of agents. I haven't been talking to it that much, but it's been able to do a lot of research where needed. It's been very spot on, very accurate. I'm going to be testing new angles, like news, for example, on that page. And it's crazy that it's been able to do all of that on its own. And what's even crazier, something that I failed to realize when I first started this challenge, I thought it would be a lot closer to posting the same type of content I used to post before. But thanks to Hyperagent, it's literally gone and done a deep dive on the state of Instagram right now. And I didn't even know this, but I can't post the same type of content I used to post anymore, because Instagram has apparently flagged that as a type of content that if you post, you can either get banned or you can just, be shadow banned. Your post won't show up to anyone, including your followers, which we don't want that to happen. So it literally spun up a strategy that I wouldn't even have thought of or had the time or patience to come up with. And it's currently testing it out. This is insane. I'm pleasantly surprised with this. It's day 4, and honestly, I am surprised. Yesterday's post took off, absolutely did well. It did even better than the first post that we posted, almost 2 times as good. Even though it didn't get that many comments, I think news are a great thing we have to play into for the rest of this video, and it's such a great strategy. Honestly, I've told it to double down. We just posted 2, so we'll see how today's posts go. But I love how it's just learning. It's literally taking up every single post, trying to see what does well, what doesn't do well, monitoring competitors, seeing how to go viral. I wouldn't have figured this out on my own, to be completely honest. Or it would have taken me months, if not years, to figure this out, and I would have either gotten banned or shadow banned at that point. The second thing I've done today so far is start the DM replying, which was just such a headache back then to have to find, reply, answer all the questions. The great thing with AI is you can literally just give it that responsibility and it will do a 10 times better job than you ever could. What's nice is I can talk to specific agents directly. This is me telling the sales agent, hey, we need to start DMs and selling. How do we get started? It asks me a list of questions that it needs, and then we literally started. I set up an automation so that it sends me an email. It replies to DMs and it will stop before pitching a price. So I'm excited. I'll be on the lookout to see how we do by day 5. Day 5, and I'm pleasantly surprised with the results that we've had today. I mean, it decided to double down on news, which, absolutely, because just look at this post right here. We posted about 11 hours ago, so in the morning, and it's absolutely blowing up. We can't see the reach on it, but on the phone it shows that it's currently at 80,000 people. It's crazy that it understood how to go viral. This post right here is doing better than posts I had around the peak of this page's lifespan. So this is absolutely wild. This is update number 1. Update number 2, it did start replying to a bunch of DMs, all the DMs we're getting. And there's no lead yet that is looking like a promising one, or that is looking like they're about to pay. But it's going to keep going. And the great thing is we have it up and running. And yeah, that's literally it. I can't wait to see what we do on day 6. Day 6, and oh my god, guys, yesterday's post, let me just refresh real quick, went absolutely viral. Look at that. 3,000 likes. Over 150,000 impressions on this just one post alone. We had other posts do well as well. Today was a very good day in terms of posts. And yeah, the best part is we got to enjoy the lake. We went, we sailed, we had fun, and I didn't have to worry about any of this. Typically it was on Sundays, days like this, where I would spend the day sourcing content, creating the content, just hours of my day spent on creating that content. And I just got to rest, to relax, to enjoy, to make good quality memories, which makes me so happy. On a downside though, the DMs don't look that promising. You could see it in the pipeline with all of these statuses, all of these follow-ups sent, not a single reply received. 10 active leads at the moment, 0 replies, 0 objections, 0 purchase intent. Oh god. It's been replying to every single DM we've received, and it's gone as far as literally one guy just deactivated his account. This is how bad the DMs are going. I don't know if we're going to make a sale this week. I'm not very hopeful. We have only 1 day left to this challenge, but only time will tell. I mean, one thing I know is even if we don't make sales this week, I know it's going to happen this month. I know we need to get the ball rolling first. I mean, content is number one. If your content sucks, your reach sucks. If your reach sucks, your discovery sucks. And if your discovery sucks, then your pipeline doesn't exist. So content is number one, and it seems to really understand what makes good content. I mean, we just posted this and it's already doing well. So see you in the final day of this challenge. Oh my God, I was getting ready to wrap up and I'm writing down the results for this challenge on day 7, and we just got our first close, finally. I honestly didn't think that we would get a single close during the 7-day challenge. I mean, 7 days is insanely short to revive an entire business. I am shook right now. But I mean, on a positive note, look at this. We took a page that was completely dead for 3 entire years, and we managed to bring it back to life. So, after 1 week, here is what happened. The page started with no post whatsoever for the past 3 years. However, in the last 7 days, we've managed to post 20 content pieces this week, generate 668,000 impressions, reach 151,000 unique accounts, and receive 13,900 interactions or engagement. We did lose 242 followers in total, but that was mostly because on day 1 of this challenge, hundreds of people unfollowed as soon as we got active again. I mean, you can see that massive dip on our first day of this challenge, but then you can see we're now above break even. We're now finally starting to gain followers again. And that is classic for a business that's been dormant for 3 years. We did get 18 total inbound leads and closed 1, generating a total of $50 in revenue on week 1, which isn't a massive life-changing number, but it's honestly more than I ever expected on week 1. But I don't think that is the only useful way to judge this. A dormant page does not usually go from dead to profitable in 7 days. The better question is whether the system created leading indicators that make the page worth continuing. I mean, we did have one post reach 179,000 views at the time of this recording, with many others getting around 50 to 100,000 views. I am pleasantly surprised by how well my AI agents were able to handle autonomy and pump out much better content than I would have ever been able to. So the big question is, after 7 days of trying this out, would I keep this running? And the answer is a big, fat, giant yes, absolutely. We managed to turn a dead business asset into a working pipeline again. I mean, we got a strategy, we created content, we replied to leads, and this AI agent gave me a reason to keep operating the page instead of letting it just sit there. And that is a massive win. If you want to try this out yourself, I will leave a link for you to try out Hyperagent in the description below. You can get $100 worth of credits when you sign up. Look, here's my advice after what I've learned reviving my dead business. Do not start with a giant company-wide automation. Start with one agent that does one useful job every morning. Maybe it researches leads. Maybe it prepares a content brief. Maybe it checks your pipeline. One single agent, one single job. That's literally the whole starting point. And once that agent creates a clean handoff, add the second agent. That is when it starts feeling less like a chatbot and more like a team. That is the difference between AI that gives you a reply and AI that prepares work when you actually use it. So, did AI revive my dead business? I would say yes. My wife is actually the one who suggested this whole video and who asked me if AI could bring this thing back to life. And I told her, probably not, but it took something I was ignoring for years and it helped me automate the parts that made me lose passion for it. And that is usually where businesses die in the first place. Not because the opportunity's gone, but because nobody keeps pushing the boring parts forward. Comment Hyperagent if you enjoyed this type of challenge video. I'd love to know if there is interest for me to do more of these. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new to my channel, because I have a ton more content coming your way. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video very, very soon. See you later.